to their individual technology and struggle for dominance. Each society has developed its own unique way to wage war. Proud of their unique craft, they have become obsessed to the point of worship, turning weapons to religion. Each believe that their way of life is the only way, and are dedicated to teaching their policies to all other nations through what their leaders claim as divine intervention, or as you will know it, war. The others are known as Archidones, way of the archer, Sobra, way of the sword, Magic, way of the mage, and Spirits, way of the spear. You are the leader of the nation called Mordor. Your ways of peace and knowledge, where people do not worship their weapons as gods. This makes you a mark for infiltration by the surrounding nations. Your only chance to defend is to attack first and obtain the technologies from each nation along the way.
Our people have been slaughtered, our homes lie in ruin, and we are forced to live unemployed in the outskirts of homeland. The nation called Order has brought nothing but chaos to our people. Our day of wrath approaches. They get a chance to stand. We are the Sword Wrath, forging blades so sharp that limbs will sever at the sight. We are the Spearmen, born to die, but not before them. We are the Magi Kill, and today we